In our journeys for spiritual knowledge, we sometimes encounter concepts and figures that raise many questions. For example, there are many stories about Jewish guardians of secrets, or Kabbalists, who hold deep knowledge in Kabbalistic teachings. Over time, this knowledge has become more accessible, but it is not always easy to understand. This knowledge is not meant for everyone. There are processes that were once reserved for a select few, and some are now available to anyone who is willing to search sincerely. Kabbalistic teachings briefly explain that physical existence in the absolute sense does not truly exist. What we perceive as reality is actually a state of consciousness. This view posits that all the stories in the Bible are metaphors that conceal secret formulas. Kabbalah asserts that the Bible was written in Hebrew, the only language in which its true meaning can be understood. Each word in Hebrew carries deep significance, and only fluent Hebrew speakers can fully grasp this. Additionally, Hebrew letters also represent numbers, and there is a whole science of Kabbalistic numerology that explains how to understand the hidden meanings of letters and numbers. Kabbalah views the biblical figures as archetypes rather than historical individuals who were born and died. These figures are essentially condensed stories that convey spiritual and consciousness principles rather than historical narratives. Kabbalah delves into fundamental questions like the nature of reality and existence. While some Kabbalistic traditions attempt to align this knowledge with modern science, there are those who find this integration partial or unclear. Therefore, when dealing with such deep topics, one must transcend ordinary thinking limitations. Otherwise, the subject may remain unclear, and the content will not be assimilated. Nonetheless, Kabbalistic teachings are beyond conventional understanding, and what may seem opaque at first. Kabbalistic studies are particularly suited to those who have undergone intense spiritual experiences, such as enlightenment or awakening within a monotheistic path, and seek explanations for unusual experiences they have had. Good luck on your journey. All the best.